like to say something. I've been attending this session and it feels very good. I mean, kids from first grade, second grade, and third grade, they're coming answering so well. And it feels like teachers like you are training us to, I mean, the tricks are easy. They're very easy. I mean, children think the tables are one of the most hardest things to learn. And even in maths, they say, by hack the tables, by hack this, by hack that. So this workshop makes it so easy for us students like me and students like others to learn this. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. I mean.
Oh, so sweet. Lots of love. I'm very happy to hear this. I'm so happy.
Ma'am, one more thing over here. You, I shared experience about the class, but about you, see, maths is not a very easy thing to master so quickly. And you have mastered many things in it, Vedic maths, tables. It's not easy to do that. So, I mean, it would have took a long time for you to do all of these things. And you're spending your time with us. So thank you so much for your precious time for us.